Wild Thang are a creative printing company. We brand in excess of 1 million garments a year, a variety of companies, large to small. As we've expanded as a company and staff numbers have grown, machines have grown, the importance of and the need for controlling work and reporting of that work, that's so we can analyse that information, have it clearly displayed in a way that we can understand and will allow us to see patterns in work. The initial process started with a fact-finding, initial meeting. There were multiple potential outcomes or needs.
Wild Thang approached the VEC and they asked us if we could help with increasing their productivity around the factory. So the first step here was we came in and we did a Leica scan of the site. So then we were able to break down each different workstation and the machines. The digital twin that was created from this scan allowed us to extract the different machines as models out of all the areas. The first one that we focused on was the embroidery machines.
So step one, what we wanted to do was to automate the extraction of that data from those machines, centralize it into a cloud database, and visualize it on a dashboard for people to see, interpret, and then make some evidence-based interventions on the workshop floor.
A useful feature on the dashboard is an option to export a selected time frame of the data across the machines. At the end of the week, for example, Chris could come into a meeting with this document and speak to the team about how the projects are going. So maybe one machine has had more thread breaks than the others. Does that need to be investigated?
So I think long term, we want it to be a fully fledged digital twin. Maybe that's something that Wild Thang will go ahead and invest in. In the short term then, what we can do for Wild Thang is host that dashboard for anyone in the company to access, and they can get the insights from that data.
We're a company that has 64 staff. We actually don't probably have that level of expertise internally, and we don't probably have the resources to put what VEC have put together, basically. So yeah, it was a great experience working with the guys. The beneficial impact to the company is going to be significant ultimately. That's my expectation, because we're going from a standing start. We've got fractured pieces of information across the company that isn't really utilised. It can't be utilised at the moment. So what VEC have put together will enable us to do that.